Hi guys, we're going to Baguio. May gusto silang dalawa kaso nahiya sila. POV nakita mo yung Torino.
We are here at Baguio and we could already feel the cold breeze and it's quite sunny but it's still cold. Here we are currently at the strawberry picking. Pupunta kami later on kasi bukas pa niya is 7 AM pero wala siyang entrance fee. Meron lang bayad if ever na makakakuha kami ng 1 kilogram of strawberry na nagkakahalagang 700.
Ilan ba? Balik ka. O dyan o. Pakatapos no. Guys. We're just done mag-paddle. Diyan, no? Over there. We had so much fun and super lamig dito ngayon sa Baguio. I can't resist anymore.
Hindi mo pala kita, kala ko kita. Hindi mo pala kita dito.